social media land groupies, I'm smack dab in the middle of a job. We're halfway done, getting ready to finish it up. Let me show you what I've done thus far and what I've been using to get it done. Now right here is what this bathroom looked like whenever I ripped the tub out of it, and right here's what it looks like so far. As you can see, I've already replaced the tub, the surround. I got a little bit of sanding and painting to do before this is complete. We've also got a brand new cabinet, vanity sink, and everything we need to install it. Everything we need to put in a new commode. We're doing all new doors, new bifolds. It's got new flooring and baseboards in it. We're also going to be upgrading that air conditioning unit. We've got one more light fixture to hang up. Other ones have already been installed. All new cabinets, countertop, sink, faucet, the whole 9 yards is being done. We're going to be adding them a pantry right here, new range hood there, new coat closet right here. So you can see here we've already got the tub completely plumbed out. Now that's all that's left to do is reassemble everything. Getting our diverter on, putting on the waste drain overflow assembly, tightening it down with Channellock screwdrivers, putting all the plates and covers on. If you're interested, I got a video on these Channellock screwdrivers linked down below. Now we're getting the shower head and arm assembled here. I have a video on this adjustable wrench as well, along with the Channellock V-Jaw speed grip pliers. Now let's test it out and make sure everything's good to go. Now it's time for us to replace this toilet here and put in a brand new one. Got our Channellock 426s for this. Getting this supply line took off here, loosening up the bolts, removing the toilet, unboxing the new one. We got our wax ring in, going to seat the toilet properly, get everything assembled for the commode. Now we're tightening up the toilet bolts, new supply line, filling it with water, installing the new toilet seat, and moving on to the next part. So pop that clutch, subscribe, and stay tuned to see tools in action.